Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, examining triangle congruence in terms of rigid motion. So, for the triangles below, use the tools to move the solid triangle exactly onto the dashed one, then answer the parts below. So obviously we can't do that directly. I can't move this around because we're not on the computer. But effectively what you would want to do is kind of just flip this over and then rotate it and put it there. And you're just trying to match up the parts. And the reason you're doing that is we're going to use that idea down here. So I'm going to show you what it would look like if I were to do that. So I can show you how to do this part. So we have F, we have D, and we have E. So if this was right on top, that's how those would line up. So complete the congruent statements below. Line segment DE is congruent to what? So if I look over here, DE is this one over here. So that would be line segment TS. Kind of lining up my points and just kind of replacing the letters, for being honest. So EF is right here, so that's going to match with SR. And DF is down here, so it's going to be TR. All right. Now for the angles, angle D is congruent to angle T. Angle E is congruent to angle S. And angle F is going to go with R. All right, are all three pairs of corresponding sides and all three pairs of corresponding angles congruent? Okay. So looking at these then, are they all congruent? Yes, and the triangles are congruent. So if all six of these things work, then that means they are congruent. So since they are all going to match when you line it up, yes, and the triangles are congruent.